What's up, everybody? Today we're going to go ahead and learn how to launch a token on the Pump.Fun network. So, the first thing we're going to do is go to this website called guava.tools and we're going to connect our wallet. From there on, we're going to click Create Token and fill out our token details. So, let's go ahead and fill in the token name. We're going to fill in the token symbol as well, and we're going to add a brief description. Now, following all of those details, we're going to go ahead and click Continue. And the second step, we're going to be looking at the network. So if we want to deploy on Pump.Fun or on Bonk. So we're looking to deploy on Pump.Fun. So let's keep it as is. And we have three options down here: standard, random, and vanity. With standard, we're going to get the standard pump at the end of the address. Random does not have the word pump. And vanity is what we want to actually do today. We're going to go ahead and enter a word. Now, the word we enter here for vanity address actually ends up in the token address itself. So we chose GVA for Guava, and here we have a token address with the letters GVA at the end of it. So it's a really cool feature that we have here on Guava Tools. Next up, we can go ahead and fill out our socials. So let's go ahead and fill out the X or the Twitter and the website as well. Once we've done that, if you expand the advanced settings, we actually can also include a dev buy. The dev buy allows us to buy a bag as soon as the token has launched. That way we have a stake in the token. And after that, we can go ahead and upload the token logo. So once we've chosen your logo, click continue. And this is the final step. We're just going to review the token's details, make sure everything we filled out looks the way we want it to. On this final step, a fee breakdown to let us know what the estimated costs are going to be for this deployment. So once everything looks good, go ahead and click that create token button. Phantom's going to pop up. You're going to have to confirm this transaction so that it can be deployed on the Solana network. Once you click confirm, it's going to go ahead and submit this token creation. Now we can see the deployment was successful, and you get a nice breakdown over here of the transaction details, the name, the symbol, and you can even view it on Axiom. So over here we can see our token being traded. People have already bought in as soon as we launched. We see our token name and symbol on the left hand here, and if we scroll down a bit in the transactions, we can see our dev buy there, our 0.01 dev buy, as well as the launch itself. So that is how simple it is to launch a token on Guava Tools. I'm going to leave the link down below in the description. If you guys have any comments, make sure to drop them in the comment section down below. Give us a like, a share, and subscribe. And if you have any feature requests, make sure to let us know. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.